Mornings set the tone for your entire day, and if you're managing diabetes, the right choices can make all the difference. Have you ever wondered how your morning drink could impact your blood sugar levels? It's not just about hydration, it's about giving your body what it needs to stay balanced and energized. For diabetics, choosing the wrong drink in the morning could lead to blood sugar spikes, fatigue, or even cravings later in the day. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll share the top 5 morning drinks that are not only delicious but also scientifically backed to support stable blood sugar levels. From calming teas to energizing options that won't throw off your glucose levels, we've got a drink for every preference. And stick around until the end because our number one choice is not only a crowd favorite, it's a game changer for managing diabetes. Let's start your day the right way with these easy blood sugar-friendly options. Grab your mug, and let's dive into the best morning drinks for diabetics. Drink 1. Warm lemon water. Let's kick things off with a simple yet powerful choice: warm lemon water. This drink is as easy to make as it is effective for managing your blood sugar levels. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water, and you're good to go. Why it's great for diabetics. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. The natural acidity in lemon water slows down the absorption of sugar from the foods you eat, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Plus, starting your morning with hydration is essential for keeping your metabolism and energy levels in check. How to prepare it? For best results, use fresh organic lemons and avoid adding sugar. If you want to enhance the flavor, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or a slice of fresh ginger, both of which have additional blood sugar lowering benefits. Bonus tip: drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach not only aids in blood sugar management, but also promotes digestion and helps detoxify your liver, an essential organ for glucose regulation. So, if you're looking for a refreshing and health-boosting way to start your morning, give warm lemon water a try. It's simple, effective, and one of the easiest steps you can take toward better blood sugar control. Drink 2. Green tea. Our next pick is a globally loved beverage with countless health benefits: green tea. Known for its soothing properties and rich antioxidant content, green tea is a fantastic choice for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar while enjoying a flavorful drink. Why it's great for diabetics. Green tea is packed with polyphenols and catechins, natural compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption. Studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can lower fasting blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications from type 2 diabetes. Plus, it's a calorie-free drink that fits perfectly into a low-sugar or low-carb lifestyle. How to prepare it? For the best results, brew fresh green tea using high-quality tea leaves or tea bags. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. If you like a sweeter taste, consider using a natural option like stevia or adding a slice of lemon for a refreshing twist. To unlock its full potential, steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes in hot, but not boiling water. When to drink it? Green tea is an excellent beverage to start your morning, providing a gentle energy boost without the jitters that can come from coffee. It's also hydrating and supports a healthy metabolism, which is essential for managing diabetes. Start your day with green tea, and you're not just sipping a warm drink, you're actively supporting better blood sugar control and overall health. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your morning routine. Drink 3. Cinnamon herbal tea. Let's move on to something warm and aromatic: cinnamon herbal tea. This drink is not only comforting, but also incredibly effective for managing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has long been recognized as a natural remedy for glucose control, making it a must-have in your diabetes-friendly morning routine. Why it's great for diabetics. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds that can mimic insulin and improve glucose uptake by your cells. Regular consumption of cinnamon has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugar levels and lower HbA1c, a key marker for long-term blood sugar management. It's also great for reducing inflammation, which is a common concern for people with diabetes. How to prepare it? To make cinnamon herbal tea, add a stick of cinnamon or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes and strain if necessary. You can enhance the flavor with a slice of ginger or a splash of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy twist. Avoid adding sugar, but if you need a hint of sweetness, stevia is a great choice. When to drink it? Enjoy this tea in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism and help your body manage glucose more efficiently. The warm, spicy aroma is also a great way to uplift your mood and energize your day. With cinnamon herbal tea, you're not just drinking to satisfy your thirst, you're giving your body the tools it needs to regulate blood sugar effectively. It's a simple, delicious addition to your morning routine. Drink 4. Apple cider vinegar. Water. Our fourth choice might surprise you, but apple cider vinegar water has become a favorite among health-conscious individuals, especially diabetics. Its unique properties make it an excellent addition to your morning routine for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Why it's great for diabetics. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, contains acetic acid, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and helps prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Research has shown that consuming ACV regularly can improve fasting blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. It's a natural, affordable, and easy way to support your diabetes management. How to prepare it? To make this drink, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. You can add a dash of cinnamon or a squeeze of lemon for additional flavor and benefits. Avoid drinking it undiluted, as the acidity can be harsh on your teeth and stomach. When to drink it? The best time to have apple cider vinegar water is before breakfast. It helps prepare your body for the day by balancing your blood sugar and supporting digestion. Be sure to start with a smaller amount of ACV if you're new to this drink and gradually increase as your body adapts. With its powerful benefits and easy preparation, apple cider vinegar water is a simple yet effective way to take control of your blood sugar first thing in the morning. Try it out and see the difference it makes in your daily routine. Drink 5. Unsweetened almond milk. Our final choice is a creamy, satisfying drink that's perfect for mornings. Unsweetened almond milk. Whether enjoyed on its own or as a base for other beverages, almond milk is a great option for diabetics looking for a low-carb, blood sugar-friendly alternative to traditional milk. Why it's great for diabetics. Unsweetened almond milk is naturally low in carbohydrates, which means it won't cause blood sugar spikes like regular dairy milk or sweetened alternatives. It's also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports overall health, and is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. Its creamy texture makes it versatile and enjoyable. How to prepare it? Simply pour yourself a glass of unsweetened almond milk to enjoy it as is. For a more flavorful option, warm it up and add a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract. You can also use almond milk as a base for smoothies, teas, or coffee. Make sure to choose unsweetened varieties to keep the carbohydrate count low. When to drink it? Almond milk is perfect for mornings, especially if you're looking for a light, quick drink that's easy on the stomach. It can also be paired with a healthy breakfast to create a balanced meal. With its creamy texture and low-carb benefits, unsweetened almond milk is a must-have for any diabetic-friendly morning routine. It's a simple, delicious way to support your health and keep your blood sugar stable. Bonus drink. Black coffee with a twist. For all the coffee lovers out there, we haven't forgotten you. Our bonus pick is black coffee with a diabetes-friendly twist. Coffee, when consumed the right way, can be a fantastic choice for managing blood sugar levels while giving you that much-needed energy boost in the morning. Why it's great for diabetics. Black coffee is naturally low in calories and carbs, making it a perfect base for diabetics. Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The key is to avoid adding sugar or high-calorie creamers. By keeping it simple, you can enjoy coffee guilt-free while staying on track with your blood sugar goals. How to enhance it. If plain black coffee isn't your thing, Try adding a sprinkle of cinnamon for its blood sugar lowering properties, or a splash of unsweetened almond milk for creaminess without the carbs. You can also experiment with natural diabetes-friendly sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. For a luxurious twist, add a drop of vanilla extract or a pinch of cocoa powder for a mocha-like flavor. When to drink it? Enjoy your black coffee in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and boost your focus. Just remember to keep your portion sizes moderate. Too much caffeine can cause jitters and might affect blood sugar levels in some people. Coffee doesn't have to be off limits for diabetics. With a few simple tweaks, you can enjoy your favorite drink while keeping your blood sugar in check. It's the perfect way to indulge responsibly. Bonus drink: cinnamon cappuccino. For cappuccino lovers, we have an irresistible option: a diabetes-friendly cinnamon cappuccino. This creamy and comforting drink is perfect for starting your morning while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Why it's great for diabetics. A cappuccino made with unsweetened almond milk, or another low-carb milk alternative, can be a fantastic choice. Adding cinnamon not only enhances the flavor but also provides blood sugar-lowering benefits. Cinnamon is known to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate glucose levels, making this drink a deliciously smart option for diabetics. How to make it? Start by brewing a shot of your favorite espresso or strong coffee. Steam unsweetened almond milk or any other low-carb milk of your choice until it's frothy. Pour the milk over the espresso and top it with a sprinkle of cinnamon. If you like it sweeter, add a drop of liquid stevia or monk fruit sweetener. When to drink it? This cinnamon cappuccino is best enjoyed as a morning treat, or even as a mid-morning pick-me-up. It's a great way to satisfy your coffee cravings without worrying about sugar or carb overload. This diabetes-friendly cappuccino combines the rich taste of coffee with the health benefits of cinnamon, giving you a cafe-style experience right at home. Try it out and make your mornings even more special. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on your favorite drinks. From the refreshing tang of lemon water to the creamy goodness of unsweetened almond milk, these morning beverages are designed to help you start your day on the right note while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. And for our coffee lovers, the cinnamon cappuccino brings a cafe-quality experience with a diabetes-friendly twist. Incorporate these drinks into your routine and take control of your mornings. Your health will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss more diabetes-friendly recipes and lifestyle advice. Let us know in the comments, which of these drinks are you excited to try? Or do you have a favorite morning drink for managing diabetes? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for watching, and remember, every small change can make a big difference in managing your diabetes. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video with more tips and ideas to make living with diabetes easier and sweeter. Take care.